You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
Everything seems to be looking really good.
The economy is strong. We're introducing a lot of new money into this economy.
I think what we're seeing now is a rising tide that's actually lifting all boats.
I feel like I'm more optimistic on the tax cut.
I think the economy is on the verge. We are on the front end of an investment boom.
And that's exactly what Larry Kudlow said during the housing market. When the housing market started to fall apart, he said, I can't find one foreclosure. I can't find one foreclosure in the United States. Right after that, his whole neighborhood collapsed around him. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. And I get so upset when I keep hearing this kind of garbage.
This is a president who cannot get out of his own way.
Really? He can't get out of his own way. When are they going to grow up? I've said time and time again, you've heard me say it many times, this is not a spectator sport. This is about serious stuff. Your wallet, my wallet, the country. This is not about taking sides. This is not a football game or a basketball game. I said it millions of times. Give credit when the president does something good. When he does something stupid, call him on it like I do. I'm not going to take sides just because he's the president. I know him well. I met him years and years ago. He put me in his book, all these things. But when he does something stupid, I'm going to say so. Because for me to do anything else would be stupid. How do I help him? But see, the one thing, can you come across, go on TV and say something as stupid as this?
This is a president who cannot get out of his own way.
I mean, don't you get it? He's had 81 accomplishments, 12 major categories. He had a tremendous year. Passage of the tax reform bill. We don't know if that's going to be bad. We don't know if it's going to be good. We have no idea yet. When Reagan passed this, we didn't know. When Baby Bush passed this, we didn't know. Everybody said when they passed it, wow, this is going to be unbelievable. But they weren't. I mean, when you're passing a tax reform bill that's going to add another $1.5 billion to your debt, and you have nothing that's going to cover that. In fact, our debt is going up 60% faster than our wages. To increase the GDP above 3% is going to be very, very hard to do, almost impossible. It's going to be tough. So when he says he's going to have a GDP of 3.5%, I tell you, it's not going to happen. Now, yes, he may have one because he can tweak it. He can tweak it. He can tweak the inventory like they always do, soybean inventory. They can also do government spending. There's a lot of ways they can get to 3%. But a real GDP 3%, first of all, we haven't got a GDP, a real GDP of 2.8% or 2.5%. The real GDP is 1.8%. It's not even 2% when you do a real GDP. Creation of 1.7 million jobs. They say, that's terrific. That's an accomplishment. Look what he's done. No, it's not. I'm going to call him on that. It's not an accomplishment. Obama did the same thing. Obama's jobs sucked, so does his. They're both lousy jobs. They're not permanent jobs. They're service jobs. They're not productive jobs. They're not in the areas of productivity. They're not in the areas of construction. They're not in the areas of manufacturing. They're not in the areas of drilling. These are the same lousy jobs we've had for the last 8 years. He's taking credit for the Dow Jones record highs.
Take a look at what's going on with the stock market. The stock market just hit an all-time record high. We have increased our economic worth by $5.2 trillion. That's right since Election Day. $5.2 trillion.
He had nothing to do with it. He had nothing to do with it. It's the Federal Reserve rates that do it. He doesn't control the Federal Reserve's rates, at what price they set the rates. He doesn't control the short-term rate. He doesn't one morning pick up the phone and say, or Obama, pick up the phone and say, put rates at 0% or near 0% so these guys can do a lot of stock buybacks. It's an independent bank. The Federal Reserve is independent. It's owned mostly by 4 major banks who control $13 trillion. Of all the banking assets in the United States, there's $13 trillion. They control 65% of those assets. Just 6 banks. Over 6,000 banks control the rest. Now, Trump has nothing to do with the market going up. That all has to do with stock buybacks. It's that simple. Print money, take the money, give it to the CEOs of companies, and they buy their own shares back. And when you have less outstanding shares, that means the CEO is spreading his earnings, his profits, over fewer shares. Therefore, it kicks up the earnings per share, which is artificial, which in turn kicks up the stock price. If they didn't do that, the stock price would go down. So to prevent it from going down, they do stock buybacks. And who benefits from the stock buybacks? Not Main Street. The CEOs, the big shareholders, and that's it. Not Main Street. Not Main Street. So when he says that, that's wrong. He should be criticized for that. A rebound in economic confidence, highest in 17 years. Sure, everybody's got confidence, but they have no money. They're using credit cards. They got confidence, but they can't go. So what do? This holiday I see all over the weekend. Oh, shopping's unbelievable. Shopping's unbelievable. Look at this. We're on a run. We're on a roll. Wait a minute. The banks issued, before the holidays, 371 million new cards, hoping people would take these cards and go out and shop and use the card thinking that they're going to get this pay hike in February of $100 extra. And now all these credit cards are out there. They're using them. They're in debt. And now the credit card debt is the highest debt ever, the highest default rate ever. And they got new credit cards. They're going to the malls. And the news is saying, look at this, CNBC. Look at this. Wow, aren't they strong, the consumer? No. Household debt is the highest ever at $12 trillion. Household debt, if you take our 157 million workforce, the household income, 2 people, the breadwinner brings in about $48,000, the secondary about $28,000, so you use $70,000 a year before taxes. And at the end of the day, when he pays all his bills, his credit, everything, he has nothing left. He has nothing left. He can't save. Savings at all-time low. He can't save. He has no money. So to go buy something, he uses a credit card. This is unbelievable. But he's done some great things. The first thing he did is appoint a justice. And he appointed more judges than all the other presidents combined. And here's another great thing he's done. He's willing to take his boot and put it on the throat of our enemies and leave it there, compared to Obama, who would take his boot off and his sock and give it to the enemy. We'll be right back after this break. Let's make some money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264.
St. Jude helps save kids with cancer everywhere.
I'm from Florida. I'm from Illinois. Where are you from?
I don't remember. I was a baby when I was born.
Donate now at stjude.org or shop where you see the St. Jude logo.
You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil. The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, we're going to start the new year, and many of you listen to the market and how terrific it is, and everybody's getting rich.
The economy is doing really well. What I think is what's in the stock market right now is what's going on in the economy.
It's not happening that way. Very few people are getting rich in the stock market. The elitists are, the 1%, because the market is their market. They control 80% of the stock market, the stock value. Very few people, retail people, very few people of our 160 million workforce own stock. And their 401ks are useless. Why? Because they never get the money out because of the fees. Every time a stock market crashes, anyone in the 401k, you know yourself, have you gotten out of your 401k before the market crashed? Think of the crashes. Did you get out with all your money, or did you stay in and you lost money in your 401k? Of course, you lose your money in your 401k. Why? Because the 401k mutual fund, they want to make sure that you stay there, that you can't get out. It's the only products Americans buy and don't know the price of it. They don't know the quality of it. They don't know the danger of it, but they buy it.
I was close to $500,000 I had in my 401k with company stock. You know, it was like, wow, look at all the money we have. Look at what is happening. You know, I can retire probably when I'm 45.
Skoczynski not only lost her savings, she lost her job.
They have no idea. They can't. If the stock market starts crashing at 10 o'clock in the morning, they can't get out to the end of the day. And here's something worse. With the market, with their stock crashing, they can't make money. They can't, what they call, short it. And you get screwed with tax consequences. At the end of each year, there's distributions. It's a scam, the 401k. So when you hear how wealth is being created in the stock market for people with 401ks, they're richer than ever. But there's something else about a 401k mutual fund. The fees are 20 times more expensive than a simple SPDR ETF. A simple SPDR ETF costs you almost nothing. And if you are way behind with your retirement and you want to catch up, I have a program that works. Try it for a month. I have a great program that catches you up. If you're there, you're worried, you're in your 60s or 50s, and you're worried, oh my God, I'm going to have to work till I'm 90. Then this is a program that works for you. A few weeks ago, we spotted gold. And I said, here's what's going to happen. Trump is going to drop the dollar. He's going to drop it. He told us when he was running as a candidate, he favored a weak dollar. And I said, isn't that strange? Why would you favor a weak dollar? Because a weak dollar is a weak economy. Who the hell would want a weak dollar? But then I figured out what he was doing. He was left with an $800 billion, well, say $600 billion when he got it, trade deficit. A trade deficit's a killer. It is the worst killer of jobs, wages. It killed you. But nobody wants to talk about it. And he knew it was heading to $800 billion. He had to get that trade deficit down. And even getting it down, it's a tough thing to do to grow to 3%, because when you have a trade deficit, there's nothing worse. It kills jobs. It killed 6 million jobs under Obama. There's nothing worse. But the problem is, even if you took that trade deficit, started to cut it and chop it and chop it and chop it, it does no good. Not until you have an oil policy. Not until we're drilling where we're supposed to have been drilling years ago, because we still have to buy 10.1 million barrels of oil a day from foreigners. So whatever we do, how hard we work to keep that dollar low, drive that dollar down, so that we export more goods to keep our deficit down, The minute we start borrowing, we have to go borrow from China to buy 10.1 million barrels of oil a day. That wipes out anything that's good. The 401k is ridiculous because you only can go one way with it. You only can buy. You got to be in a position with a stock that not only can you buy, but you can make money going short. And that's what this program offers. I have a program. It's called my MV2 program. And it's a video program. We're starting a new stock, a new gold stock. Let me just give you some of the gold stocks we started a couple of weeks ago. And I'm not suggesting every gang member made this profit. What I'm suggesting is when it turned green, the day it turned green to where it is now, this is the profit center of that stock, and we identified when it turned green. When a gang member decides when he wants to pull the trigger, that's up to him. We tell him by video to pull the trigger, when to pull the trigger. We do everything. You haven't even got to think. Nugget's up 31%. GDX up 8%. AU is up 9%. AUI 28%. I'm not suggesting every customer, every gang member made that kind of return. Let's say every gang member made 5% in the last 2 weeks. I think that's pretty good. Let's cut it all the way down to 5% each. What's wrong with that? Not a thing. That's terrific. 5% return. All you had to do during the day, while you're working or at home or watching TV, gee, I wonder what Phil wants me to do with GDX. So you go, philsgang.com, you click on the home page, there it is, MV2 video. Click on, there's the video about GDX. I tell you exactly what to do. What's that, minute? Not even a minute. And you go on with your life. So you can catch up. And the fees, the thing is, the fees are almost nothing. When you're deducting 2% a year for investment costs, then pay 0.25% of what's left to Uncle Sam, you lose 2% to inflation, you're left with 1% a year. With a 401k, it's going to take you 70 years to double your money. The impact of fees cannot be understated. Even Tom Brenner, who founded the 401k, said that. Not only did he say that, he said the experiment of 401k has failed because it's a sham and it's one of the biggest skimming operations in the country.
If you're not aware of what you're paying, then at the end of a 30-year working career, you can have a lot less in retirement savings than you expected to have.
So join my gang. It's $39.95.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Here is the number that you need, okay, to make a difference in your financial life. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. It's $39.95. Join the gang, and why don't you start out with our program that's so successful, it's incredible. It's for people who say, I don't want to do anything, I just want to make money. I don't want to learn because I don't have time. And that's what this program's about. Every day I do a video, and I redo the videos all during the day, 24 hours a day. We redo the videos. For example, we bought gold when our chart, our MV2 chart, it showed us the institution buyers were coming in and buying gold, AU. It went up over 10%. It showed the institutional investors were getting out, and we got out. And guess what? It pulled all the way back. If you stayed in, you would have lost all the gains.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. This is a wonderful season. Please have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to remember St. Jude Hospital.
And I really mean this sincerely. We've done a lot together, such amazing partners to us, and just promoting it and letting me come on. It's all part of the giving spirit to help kids around the country. And I know, as grateful as I am, I know how grateful the moms and dads are. So we can't thank you enough for giving us the time. You've always been a great supporter of ours.
Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. Welcome back to The Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
I think infrastructure has Home Depot up 20% in a year. McDonald's up 20%. Vodafone is a way to play with. I think it's up 20% in a year.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. You don't pay attention to your portfolio every day. Have a good, sound plan so you can go on and enjoy life.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
And that's the only one just telling the truth. Right there. Nobody knows if a stock's going to go up 20%, 10%, 8%. When I give my guy, using my chart, and I did this on a Valero twice, on my MV2 chart, we have a group that you can be part of this group. It's $39.95, which participate in our entire curriculum. You can come to our classes, our live classes, get our live updates all day long. Are you kidding? But if you're so busy and you don't have time to learn how to invest in stocks, then you join my video program where every night, which changed all during the day, 24 hours a day, you got a private coach, we change that video. In other words, example, Valero. At one point, we bought Valero, and if all you had to do was follow the video, just do exactly what I said in the video. Yeah, and it went up 15%. 15%. Another time we did Valero, went up 38%. You just got to follow the video. Now, I'm not saying every gang member who follows the video gets that kind of return. That's not true, because many people get in later. Some get in at the very beginning. Some are a little afraid. They wait a while to see how it's going. So everybody, but even if you made 10% on your money at the end of the year, just 10%, would that be okay? And you don't have to do anything, nothing. Just go to my site, go to the home page. It says MV2 video. You click on, and there are the stocks in that video. You decide which one that you want to participate in, and explains every detail every day, when to buy, when to add to your position, when to get out of your position, when to take some shares off. So easy. And all we ask when you start making money, please remember St. Jude. We'll help you, you help St. Jude, everybody wins. And this is what we should be focusing on. Let's not focus on this crazy tax bill. I'm for a tax cut. I want this tax cut to work because I want our country to grow. It helps me, helps my business. But when we continue to put false narratives, lies out there as to what this thing's going to do, it's not helpful. So let's just go and do our business. I started out last week, I said we're going to start with gold mining stocks again. They were terrific. We made a lot of money on gold mining stocks. So I said, let's start buying Nugget. And Nugget already from the time it turned green, the time that I said, okay, it's turning green, let's buy it. That stock is, again, since it turned green, it's up over 10%. GDX is up over 6%. And as I say, not every gang member makes that. But that's not the point. The real point is, at the end of each year, if you just follow these videos and you make 10%, but the more important thing is you can go to bed at night and you're going to wake up in the morning. You're not going to be panicked. You're not going to wake up like you did in 1987, or not wake up, it was at noon when the market crashed. But the 2008 crash, remember how terrible that felt? You gave all of your money back. You lost money, $8 trillion you lost. Imagine that, $8 trillion. And now that people are listening to the same people who got them into that mess. But a lot of people never got back into the market. The amount of retail customers dropped from 65% down to 42% because they didn't trust the market. And they missed the biggest market ever in history. And now they're going to miss the next biggest market in history under Trump. Trump got it. When he got into the White House, he got it. He saw what Obama did. Nobody could have screwed up the economy like Obama. Nobody, through his crazy distribution of wealth, where the crazy health care bill that he had. And thank God they are taking that health. The one good thing about this tax cut, that health care bill, it's going to get crushed.
We have, of course, the individual mandate, which is a very unfair and very unpopular provision, as you know, in Obamacare.
Because by mandating the young people, forcing them to have health care, forcing them to pay for it, $695 a year or more, that produced almost $300 billion that pays for Obamacare. The minute they passed this bill the other day, that's gone. The mandate is gone. There's no way to pay for Obamacare. Now you're going to get people, about 13 million people aren't going to be able to afford health care. 6 million didn't want it anyways. If you gave it to them free, they didn't want it. They go to the hospital. Some of these people, they're lazy. They don't even want to go in and sign up for the thing. Their whole lives they've been lazy. They go to the hospital. That's all they do. Keep going to the emergency room, and the emergency rooms are paid. They get paid. So this was the worst bill ever, it killed the economy. It killed our jobs. For 8 years, it killed our jobs. For 8 years, it cut full-time jobs to part-time jobs. Are you kidding? When you worked at a big box store, whether you were in Target or you were in Home Depot or you were Walmart, you want to know why your hours got cut back? It's because of Obamacare. The only way you can make it work is all the employees, the owners had to push everybody on part-time to try to get underneath that threshold so they didn't have to pay insurance. Now, you think the one beautiful thing about the tax bill, that's gone. Now, it's going to remain for 2018, but after 2018, it's over. So 13 million people are now going to be without insurance. But they can go to the hospitals. They can go and get Medicare. They get Medicaid. They're going to be, no one's going to let them die on the street. So what they really did was smart. They killed Obamacare without appealing it. It can't survive. When you, over the next 10 years, you don't get $300 billion coming into to pay for Obamacare, it can't survive. And you know what? The premiums are going to go up in 2019. A premium is going to go from $500 to $5,000. Because now, no longer are they going to force the millennial to pick up that bill. But let's talk about the stock market. There's going to be some terrific opportunities in the stock market because Trump will not let this market drop. He just won't. He's married this market. He's not going to let it drop.
Take a look at what's going on with the stock market. The stock market just hit an all-time record high.
So now's the time to get into this market. Why don't you try for 1 month? Follow me in my gold mining stocks. I'm doing a video tonight on my gold mining stocks. You just joined. It's $39.95. And it's 24 hours a day. I do a video stock on Nugget. I do a video stock on GDX. I also do a nice video stock. We're making out very, very well on Alaskan Airline. ALK is the symbol. We're doing very well with that stock. And we're also doing very well with AMD. But Alaskan Airline and UA, Under Armour, doing really well. So you get the video at night. You'll have a video on ALK. You have a video on UA. You got the video on the gold stocks. Now, 2 stocks we took off our video. We took off BBBY, which we were up about 13%. We finally took our profits and replaced that with the gold stocks. And we also took off Juniper, which we were up about 13%. We took our 17%, and we took that off, and we replaced that with one of our gold mining stocks. So you just follow the video. How easy is that? You have a coach 24 hours a day. Call 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
So, what is love? Love is being independent. Love is dancing. At Shriners Hospital for Children, love is a new smile.
At Shriners Hospitals for Children, love is caring for a child regardless of the family's ability to pay. Learn how you can send your love to the rescue at lovetotherescue.org.
Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Bill Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. This is a wonderful season. Please have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to remember St. Jude Hospital.
And I really mean this sincerely. We've done a lot together, such amazing partners to us, and just promoting it and letting me come on. It's all part of the giving spirit to help kids around the country. And I know, as grateful as I am, I know how grateful the moms and dads are. So we can't thank you enough for giving us the time. You've always been a great supporter of ours.
You're listening to the best of Phil's Gang.
We had 6 major corporations, all of whom are going to pass along their tax savings from this tax bill, passing along directly to their workers. They're going to invest more, pay higher wages, train more people, hire more people. I mean, isn't that a benefit to hundreds of thousands of people?
Corporate profits are the highest that they've ever been. I don't think this tax cut is going to lead to any kind of significant investment that wasn't already going to happen.
That's right. When you get guys like Varney and Payne, and you get these guys on CNBC, and you get these guys on Fox, the 20% group on Fox, they're not going to tell you that. There's about AT&T, Boeing, Comcast, Third Bank, Wells Fargo. That's already in there. Go look at their plans. It's already been in there. Just far before this tax cut was finally approved. And I love how the rich are not going to benefit from this bill. Really? Why don't you just tell the truth? Why are you embarrassed? If you have wealth, don't be embarrassed. Especially if you created it yourself and it wasn't handed down to you. Don't ever be embarrassed if you have wealth. Because you earn it. What do you want to... I mean, remember, under Obama, what did we have? Remember the old job lock?
If you want to be creative and be a musician or whatever, you can leave your work, focus on your talent, your skill, your passion, your aspirations, because you will have health care. You don't have to be job locked.
Yeah, you don't have to be job locked, because why? We're going to fine the millennials, the young, healthy people. We're going to fine them $695, may even put them in jail. We're going to collect from them a total of about $388 billion. So go home. Don't work. Can you imagine disincentivizing work? That's what the Obama administration did for 8 years. Now, we're supposed to turn this around with one tax cut after 8 years? What are you, nuts? It's not going to happen. So why doesn't Mnuchin go tell the truth instead of lie about it? Say, we're going to try. But boy, Reagan tried. Baby Bush tried. They failed. We got a worse situation going. We got 8 years of a socialist communist behind us. We got to change all of his socialist communist party economics. Telling people to go home. Don't work. We'll take the young people and find them. We'll get the money from them. And if they don't want to give us the money, they want to buy health care, we'll find them. What country is this? This is the United States. What other product would any American president say, I'm going to find you, I'm forcing you to buy this product? So don't worry about the 13, when you hear all the liberal Democrats coming, oh, there's going to be 13 million people. 13 million people, their insurance is going to go, they're going to lose their insurance. Really? That's 7%. 7%. Are you kidding? Everybody else is covered by insurance by their employers. Then you have another 6% who never wanted health care anyways. They go to the hospital. Let's stop listening about that. Let's just make money. This will prove. This is going to prove out in a couple of years if it's a failure. But in the meantime, why don't we make money? Because one thing we do know, they cannot let the stock market drop. We know that. Now they have to force this market up. They got to double where this market's from. They got to go from 24,000 to 50,000. They've got to in the next 8 years. They have no choice now. They got to have a market to back their play. They got to have a market to mask their lies. So they got to keep saying, oh, the market is the economy. Look, it's up. It's another 2,000 points.
The economy is doing really well. What I think is what's in the stock market right now is what's going on in the economy.
Well, we're at 30,000 now. Oh, we're at 35,000. And you're not participating? Are you nuts? Never mind the insurance. You want to make money? Make money. Then you can pay for whatever the insurance costs. What the hell do you care about the insurance cost if you're making money? But instead, people dropped out of the stock market. I can't blame you. In 2008, $8 trillion gone. Everybody lied to you. But this time, it's on our side. They locked themselves into the biggest lie. They locked themselves into taking the stock market. They have no choice. They got to mask even more than what Obama masked. His $1 trillion stimulus didn't work. And they're trying to tell us this $1.4 trillion is going to? Well, it's not even a stimulus. It's less tax revenue we bring in. And there's no way to cover it. So here I got an excellent stock. I want everybody, please, tonight, call right now, 877-600-GANG. I'm starting with a new stock, symbol CG. You don't even have to know what the company does. I don't even know what the hell it does. If I dug up J.P. Morgan, he couldn't tell you. Wow! But does it really matter what it does? No, because it doesn't matter. This average volume is just under 1 million shares. Nice looking stock, but here's what it's telling me. All the big institutions are putting their money into it right now. So we're going to put our money into it. So I will do a video on this, and then you follow me every day on this video, the MV2 video. Okay, that's what we call it, our MV2 videos, right on the home page. You go there anytime at night, anytime during the day, put on your mobile device, and do exactly what I tell you to do. The first minute I tell you to buy this, I gave this to my gang about 2 days ago on our watch list, CG. And right now, in 2 days, it's up about 6% in 2 days. But now we're getting, tomorrow, if this makes one more move tomorrow, the institutions come in and start buying this tomorrow, then I'm going to say on my video, here's where you're going to buy it, here's where I want, and here's how many shares I want you to buy, either a Scout, or we'll do more shares than a Scout. I guide you. Just do exactly what I tell you. Don't miss out on CG. And also, don't miss out on GDX. Gold is breaking, because the dollar is going to tumble, because the more people find out that this bill is a pack of lies, and it's not going to perform any better than Reagan's bill, not going to perform any better than Baby Bush's bill. It can't. It's impossible, because we're coming in from such a deep hole. We got to dig out. Look at, we have to go. It's like somebody saying to you, go dig that hole. I'll give you an analogy how bad Obama left this country. Go dig that hole. Well, we got to go, and we first have to, we're in a desert. This is what we're facing. Go dig a hole right there. Well, wait a minute, I don't have a shovel. Well, you got to find a tree. Well, there's no tree. We're in a desert. Well, hey, that's your problem. Go find a tree or grow a tree and then cut the tree down, make a shovel out of it, then start digging the hole. Holy mackerel, that's tough. Well, that's where we are.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.
Anybody figure it out in the last 8 years? All the market's been going is up, 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 up. To mask that. But that's where Trump is coming from. So why isn't Cohen and Mnuchin being honest about it? Because they're from Wall Street. They don't know how to be honest. They don't know how to be honest. Are you kidding me? This is crazy. I mean, Trump, when he was a candidate, he said, I am going to make sure when I do this tax cut for these large corporations, I don't trust them, and I'm going to give them this tax savings for capital investment and purchase equipment and all this stuff. It's going to be mandated that they only get this tax cut if they do capital investment. If they don't do the capital investment, they don't get the tax cut. And I'm going to give them an incentive. I'm going to tell them now when they buy a new piece of equipment, instead of writing it off over 5 years, they can write it off in 1 year. I'm going to even do that. But I am going to make sure that I'm going to put a mandate in that you only get the lower rate. You only get to pay for your equipment in 1 year instead of 5 if you participate. Well, guess what we got this morning? 6 out of 3,600 corporations that said, I'm participating, but they were lying. The things that they were doing, Wells Fargo says it's going to increase its minimum wage for U.S. employees from $13.50 to $15. Wow, don't spend it all in one place. That was already, they already decided on that a year ago. Do you think a large corporation, the CEO wakes up in the morning, on Friday or on 2 days ago, look at this, they passed a bill. Let's make a decision. A large corporation. Let's make a decision. We're going to go from $13.50 to $15. You know how many committees a large corporation has? You know how many committees it has to go through? You know how many lawyers it has to go through just to get from $13.50 to $15? It would take a year just to get through the lawyers. It would take a year to get through the lawyers. And you're trying to take parking space in our head? On Monday, Tuesday it passed. The House and Senate, now they woke up on Wednesday. We're going to give everybody a raise from $13.50 to $15. Are you nuts? Make some money. I'm doing that video right after the show. 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Help St. Jude.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.